The Laundry horror short film. I fucking hate laundry, so this is gonna be extra scary for me. Too many steps. That's what it is. There's too many fucking steps to laundry. It's like, and they take forever. Each one takes forever. I'd be fucking fuming.
Okay, not funny.
I'd be fucking fuming if I spent my time to put my goddamn laundry together and then I come in, it's all over the floor. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed. What are we doing, Ghost?
You can come out now. I know you're hiding.
Oh, it's a real person.
Jerk. Do you seriously throw my clothes all over the floor?
I didn't do that.
Okay, sure, then who did? Whatever, just put them back in the dryer and start it again, okay? Can you handle that?
Okay, but it wasn't me.
Whatever.
Wait a minute. Started again means they were in the dryer for a short period of time. They're not wet. They're not. I know laundry. I might hate laundry, but I know laundry, bitch. And that ain't laundry. It's not massive. What the fuck? Why would you stick your head in immediately?
This better not be another prank.
He got eaten. I don't think it's a prank.
Babe, where'd you go?
Check it out. Pop your head up in here. I would not be scared of, bro. That normally fucking happens all the time. You creak it open a little bit, it's gonna just open. That's a normal thing, right? That's a normal thing. Well, never mind. I'm over it. I'm over it. I hate laundry. I'm over it. I'm not buying her scared. It's not good. I don't really feel like there's a monster in there because this is awful. This is awful. Was he just trying to get out? What is it? The laundry man. It's him, right? The guy. A load of laundry's gonna kill you. Why does the laundry need to eat people? Okay. Are these ones just made to be stupid? I think that's what they all are. This was the same 6-7 one. And the 3, the trilogy. Oh, fuck, man. That was brutal. That was brutal. That might be the worst one, but I don't know. It was better than some of these, bro. Like, this one was dog shit. This one was absolute dog shit. Like, what are we fucking doing, man? This one was terrible. That one was good. The ending was shit. That one was good. I don't know. It was still pretty good, which is crazy because it's bad. But it was still pretty good in comparison to the ones that I found. So, anywho, I'm going to go find more because that was actually the last one. So, and I'm here anyway, so I'm gonna keep it rolling.